So this meal is 253 calories, and its protein is 20.8, and the carbohydrates are 26.6. So woo-hoo! Sugar's only 5.8. Salt's a bit hot, it's about 902. So that's 902. So you're at 2,000 per day. So 2,000. Yeah, it's getting up there. It's almost half your daily limit. So yeah. So we just now got to wait for it to come out of the microwave. It looks all right. It was $5.60. Well, let's see what it looks like after it comes out of the air fryer. I also forgot to mention too, it says, to heat it in the oven, as opposed to microwave, you can do, you remove the meal from the carton, and then you put it in the microwave. You can do, here's the film was 3 minutes, 3 times, sorry, and heat for 6 to 6.5 minutes. In contrast, in a preheated conventional oven, at 200 and fan force is 180, you're supposed to do it for 35 to 40 minutes. The only thing I'm worried about is the container that it comes in is a plastic container. So it's interesting to see whether the plastic survives, especially at those temperatures. But anyway, that's what they say to do, so that's what I did. Be careful when you take it out. So just hang them out while I go, well, here we are, folks. It's been through the air fryer. It's a little bit frazzled around the edges, but I am really surprised, given that, for all intents and purposes, it's a plastic dish, but it survived the air fryer. It survived the oven, so it must be made out of some special material. So, with that said, well, before I go any further, give it a them. So it's 373 before, and it's 255. So she's lost a fair bit. 37 days 30 plus 5. Let's say 37 plus 5. That's almost 45 grams it's lost in the